So, naisipan ko nga ayusin ang buhok nitong batang to. Nilagyan ko muna ng oil yan. Tapos, tinirintas ko na. Tuwang-tuwa yan kasi pinabidyohan pa niya talaga sa akin para makita niya. Gustong-gusto ko pag nakatarintas sila kasi sobrang neat tingnan at hindi magulo pag kumakain sila o kaya na pag naglalaro sila.
Can you make mommy tea for us? Always, please. Mommy's beautiful. That one, the mermaid tail.
Why?
Because who made it?
It's mommy.
It's so beautiful. Ah,
I forget.
what is this, Tally?
It's Tally.
Ang mermaid tail is so maganda. Also, Ate Kalias. Tutu maganda.
Wow.
Oh, I love it. So maganda.
Charger.